Hello, and a beer review. So today we have a beer from Põhjala. It's a bottle of their Kamin barrel-aged Imperial Porter. It's from their Cellar series. You might note that the bottle's already open. That's because it's a wax top, and I didn't want to. And I'm quite glad I did this actually, because fucking hell, it was a faff to open. But yeah, I didn't want you to see me struggling to open it, so I thought I'll open it before I start recording, and then it'll keep this. Stop it being like a 15-minute video of me struggling to open a bottle, though people probably would enjoy watching that. It's a Cognac, Sherry and Islay Whisky barrel-aged Imperial Porter. I've already said it's a barrel-aged Imperial Porter, but it's the bigger description. 11% ABV, served 12 to 16 degrees. It probably is around that, probably the higher end of that. Yeah, Põhjala are usually very good at these big dark beers. They're from Estonia. Italian, I think. Oh, damn it, I just smashed my glass on the radiators. Don't want to smash this one as well, it's my Emperor's glass, but yeah. Let's get it poured and see what we get. Lovely, dark looking. Beer, yeah. Yeah, black beer, tan head. Yeah, that's pretty much what you look at. Head is dissipating quickly. Let's go for the smell. I mean, it smells boozy. As you'd expect, I mean, it's barrel aged in, what, Cognac, Sherry and Islay Whisky barrels. I think Sherry's the one I'm getting the most prominent. But there is a little bit sort of peat from the sort of Islay Whisky barrels. There's also a lot of sort of raisins and roasting malt character. Bit of chocolate, sort of chocolate raisins. Hints of coffee. I mean, I think this is a straight up porter, apart from the barrel aging, obviously. Yeah, the usual ingredients, but I mean, some of the best beers I've ever had are like barrel aged, just barrel aged Imperial porters and stouts with no adjuncts or anything, so should be cracking. And what 3 awesome barrels there as well: Cognac, Sherry and Islay Whisky. So I haven't played it safe with the barrels, which I like, and just put it in bourbon, which is fantastic to be fair. So that's not a slight, but beers that do have are bourbon barrel aged, but it is sort of it is sort of kind of the safe barrel, I think, to age something in, because you know, a bit more risky, I guess. You don't know how it's going to turn out, and also can be quite divisive, the taste. Oh, we're getting a little visitor. I usually shut the door, I haven't done that today. But no, it smells good. Let's dive in. Ooh, oh, boozy. Boozy, boozy, boozy. Yeah, get loads of the barrel. But we get away from that, mate. No one wants to. Well, they probably do want to see you. It's probably better than my ugly mug. Yeah, a bit of peat. Loads of the sherry. The sherry's the most prominent of the 3 barrels, I'd say. But there's a little bit of cognac as well. Starting to come through. Yeah, a lot of the barrel. There's also a bit of chocolate. Bit of malt, roasted malt character. I'm getting very distracted here. That's why I normally shut the door. Slightly oaky, tannic. There's raisins, sort of Christmas cake sort of flavours. That's really nice. Because it's an Imperial porter, not Imperial stout, you're maybe not going to get as much, such a full, thick body, but it's not thin. And there's a nice sort of slipness to the mouthfeel. But yeah, it's very nice and one that's definitely worth picking up. So yeah, definitely pick it up if you see it around. So yeah, thank you for watching. Drop us your thoughts below. Give us a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.